Dear Exians, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is singular and plural. So let's start our lecture today. What is a singular? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a noun, a singular noun. What is a singular noun? एक ऐसा नाम जो किसी एक चीज़, एक शख्स या एक जगह का हो उसे सिंगुलर नाउन कहते हैं. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, you can say a boy. A boy is a singular noun. A house. A house is also a singular noun. Next, a key. A key is a singular noun as well. Next, we are going to learn about a plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. What is a plural noun? दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के नाम को प्लूरल नाउन कहा जाता है. For example, look at this picture. Boys. These are boys. Boys is a plural. Now cats. Cats is a plural. Houses. Houses. Next, flowers. Flowers. Now my dear Exians, now we know about plural form. For example, if one boy, then in plural form we can say boys, cat, cats, house, houses, flower, flower. Now my dear Exians, lecture is over. Allah Hafiz.